tracking them down as they work their way down the back straightaway. That 68 going to cost Beatty a lot of time. He has to come to a stop pretty much on the back straightaway. DeMarco working his way diligently around the lap track as he works his way off of 4. Couple lappers to deal with this, just clean racetrack in front of him. Beatty close that gap down to a 9/10 of a second disadvantage now. Trying to see if he can close it down even more up to 3 and 4, up off of turn number 4. That's going to be halfway now. 8 laps to go for Chase DeMarco. Half a second separation between your top 2. Down the back straightaway, Carter Beatty has a 7 machine with set on kill track leaders. .59 time by, trying to see if he can't gain up even more this time by. 5.8 picked up. Going to be enough. The battle's on for that second spot. Kane going to get into it with that 44 machine of Zoe Smith. She's going to turn the lapper around. That 19 of Nixon Clark. That is one thing Chase DeMarco did not want to see. So tough break with a 44. Smith going to the back of the pack now. Well, back of the lead lappers. She's going to come from about 7th on the sheet. But it's going to be DeMarco, your leader. Beatty, Kane, Bush, Mussetter, your top 5. We get ready to go back green flag racing. Bunched up down the back straightaway. DeMarco brings them down to a crawl. We're going to be green flag racing into turn number 1. DeMarco to the bottom side of the racetrack. Beatty going to get that high arc into turn number 1. Now Beatty trying to make a move down the back straightaway. Can't quite get that 7 machine underneath the 9 of DeMarco. 5 laps to go for Chase DeMarco out front. Beatty patiently working on the back bumper of that 9 machine of DeMarco as they work their way through 3 and 4 off of turn number 4. Losing a little bit of ground now as DeMarco holds on to this race lead. Coming to 3 to go. This next for your race leader, Chase DeMarco. Straight away, Beatty with a big head of steam now into 3 and 4. 2 laps to go for DeMarco and Beatty. The battle's going to be on for your top spot. Beatty tries to track him down. Can't quite get there just yet. No separation between your top 2 off of turn number 4. White flag's going to fly. Beatty tries to 7 up underneath him. Can't quite get there. Big arc into turn number 1 to try to make his move down the back straightaway. Just yet. through 3 and 4 of a turn number 4. He holds off a hard charging Beatty at the line. Chase Marco going to be your winner. DeMarco going to win it. Beatty going to come home second. Brexenbush, Liam Kane, and John Marshall personally will be your top 5. And that is a wrap on our Outlaw karting of kart events. Now we just wait until